Hi all, welcome to Cliffview Ayurveda. I am Dr. Adira. Nowadays, most of the people looking for easy ways to improve their luster and beauty. So today I am going to give you a few ideas about beauty care. Beauty is the radiance of spirit, kindness to ourselves and to others, having good character, strength and self-confidence. In simply, beauty is being healthy both emotionally and physically. Here, many factors affecting the beauty of a body. The first one is stress. It affects your skin by damaging your skin's barrier function, which reduce the ability to absorb and retain moisture. Then sleep. Lack of sleep at night makes you feel sleepy and tired the next day, which leads to saggy skin and dark circle arises. Poor nutrition. Make sure you eat food that are rich in vitamins and minerals to maintain a healthy gut and keep your skin glowing. Next is environment. Different types of environmental pollutants have their own effect on body and skin. So, what type of food we can eat to make skin healthy? Eat fruits and vegetables every day. This helps protect your skin from cellular damage and free radical. Then eat enough vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C is rich in antioxidant, support the immune system and helps to promote radiant skin. And vitamin E protect your skin from cell damage and support skin growth. Then eat plenty of zinc. Zinc in the body is responsible for the normal function of sebaceous gland in the skin. Keep your skin soft and supple. Then stay hydrated. Water is the best source for hydration. So drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to make your skin glowing. Here are a few of beauty care tips for face and body. Bath your skin with milk. When you have irritated or inflamed skin, try having a milk bath or apply milk on the face and neck for soothing and charming effect. Use aloe vera on face. Aloe vera is not just for sunburn. It also helps in making the skin smooth, supple and young looking. Next is give yourself a massage with oil. Massage with oil not only moisturizes you deeply but also gives you a radiant looking skin afterward. Then apply facial oil. Facial oil detox your skin and provide it with a youthful, nourished glow. Kumkumadi oil is suitable for all skin type. The most common skincare regimen for all skin type is, the first one is cleanse. Here you should clean your face with a natural cleanser. Secondly, tone. Here tone your face with the rose water. Then lastly, moisturize. Here moisturize your skin with a cream. This can be done every morning and night time. Thank you.